Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to use ChatGPT to build a faceless brand that stands out and connects with your audience. This guide will walk you through the key strategies you need to create a strong, faceless brand identity and leverage AI to grow your business. And if you're looking for additional tips or resources, don't forget to check out the pinned comment below. Alright, let's dive in. Before you start building a faceless brand, it's essential to find a niche that not only aligns with your goals, but also has profitability potential. This is where ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful. Let's ask it to identify some profitable niches specifically for a faceless brand that focuses on digital products. So, here's the prompt that I come up with. Here, take some time to see here. Don't worry, there are prompts that I've just used for the video here down in the description below. With that, once it's crafted and everything, I'll send this over and see what ChatGPT comes up with. Now let's see what ChatGPT has in store. It should provide us with several niche ideas that are both trending and viable for a faceless brand model. Now, as you can see, here are the following that ChatGPT had recommended or even suggested right here. So yeah, these are some great suggestions, I must say. So let's take a look for a few of them. So there's one for templates for business, another one, online courses and e-learning, and there are each details for these niches, like with online courses and e-learning, sells courses on popular skills, like coding, graphic design, blah, 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 blah. Going down here, there are website themes and plugins, develop and sell WordPress themes, there's Shopify templates, etc., etc. And yeah, these are quite helpful, I must say. So, with these profitable niches, you can focus your brand strategy in areas with real potential, setting yourself up for success. All right, let's move on to shaping your brand identity next. For a faceless brand, it's crucial to have a compelling message that builds trust and captures attention, even without a personal face behind it. Now, let's ask ChatGPT again to help us craft a brand message for a specific target market. So, here's what I come up with. So, let's say, help me craft a brand message for a faceless brand targeting entrepreneurs looking for productivity tools. So, by sending this prompt right now, ChatGPT should give us a well-rounded, clear, and concise message that will resonate with entrepreneurs who are searching for, as you see, productivity tools. So let's send this over right now. Let's see how ChatGPT would come up with a message. Processing might take a while. As you can see, it's currently freezing. Oh, and there we go. Here it is, right there. So let's read it out loud. Empowering entrepreneurs to achieve more. In today's fast paced world, every minute counts. And here our suite, of productivity tools is designed to help entrepreneurs maximize efficiency, streamline tasks, and focus on what really matters, building your vision. Whether you're scaling a startup or managing a growing business, we provide the tools that adapt to your needs, freeing you to make smarter decisions faster. Well, that's quite a strong message there. As you see, this will help define your brand's voice and set the tone for all your content. Now, a clear brand identity like this can make it easier to connect with your audience. As one said earlier, even without a visible face behind the brand. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. With your brand identity in place, the next challenge is creating engaging content that captivates your audience, especially when there's no face to connect with. This is where the content itself has to do all the heavy lifting. And so, let's ask ChatGPT once again to generate some YouTube video ideas that a faceless brand can use to engage with a tech-savvy audience. For instance, that is. My apologies for that. So, let's go down here, and here's the prompt to popped up over here. There we go. This is the one that I just stated earlier, all crafted together into a prompt. And so we are just about to ask ChatGPT just by sending this over. And once it's sent, it will generate a variety of content suggestions that should appeal directly to our target audience. Now, let's send this over right now. Go. So here's what it came up so far. So there's top 5 AI tools, how blockchain is changing business. Down here, there's hidden features of your smartphone, future of work, and also building your first app without coding. And see, these are some fantastic ideas. Well, it depends on your interest, that is, or whichever you really like the most. If not, you can just click here to regenerate again, and ChatGPT will whip you up with new video ideas. And so, in the meantime, these are kind of great to me. You can see how ChatGPT helps to quickly brainstorm engaging content that keeps your audience interested while still maintaining the faceless approach. Well, with this kind of content, you can build a loyal following without ever showing your face. Managing your social media can become time consuming, especially if you're trying to post consistently across multiple platforms. Luckily, ChatGPT can help automate this process by generating engaging social media content. Let's ask it to create a week's worth of posts for a faceless brand that offers online courses, that is. Now, here's the prompt that I crafted together right here, just as I stated. Here we go. Now, once I send this over, ChatGPT will then give us a series of posts that we can use across different platforms. This could ensure consistency while saving you time on content creation. So, with that, here we go. Now, let's see how ChatGPT would recommend us with posts. Right here, there's Motivation Monday. It give us different social media content for each different day. Here we go. Let's look this over. All right. The process is finished. As you can see, these are different. Like, for example, day 1, Motivation Monday. These are mainly motivational quotes. Tuesday, more on tips. Wednesday, testimonial. Right here. There's course highlight. Thursday right here. There's fun fact, sneak peek, and there's enrollment reminder Sunday. These are mostly announcements, that is, and yeah, and these posts are quite perfect, I must say. So with this kind of automation, you'll not only keep your audience engaged, but also maintain a regular presence on social media, all while freeing up time to focus on growing your brand. And that wraps up our guide to building a faceless brand with ChatGPT. I hope you found these strategies helpful and that you're ready to start creating your own successful brand without ever needing to be on camera.